If your buttonholes are warping, it's because a standard buttonhole doesn't accommodate for the large shank of many buttons,
like the keyhole does.
So here's how to achieve this finish on a home sewing machine.
Start by grabbing some chalk, and we're going to mark roughly the width of your button as a straight line onto your fabric. Then at the top of the line, we'll mark a small circle, roughly the size of the shank of your button. Now we'll bring this to our sewing machine, set it to zigzag with the width at 2 and the length in between 0 and 1. Now just start stitching at the top of your straight line, hugging the straight line until you make it to your circle. Once you're at your circle,
We'll take it nice and slow, keeping our needle down.
and slowly pivoting around the circle,
I like to pivot about every 1 to 2 stitches.
just hugging my circle. And make sure your needle is down while you pivot. And once you make it around your circle, we'll just hug the straight line and finish off where we started. Should look something like this. You can now punch a hole on the circular bit and release the rest of your buttonhole. Beautiful. You can even take it a step further
By placing a thick piece of thread or cord under your zigzag stitch.
as you stitch around your keyhole, giving you a more structured and maybe even hand-stitched looking keyhole buttonhole. No more warping, no fancy equipment. Hell yeah, dude.